I have my little makeshift thing going on here. This is the brand of dye that I'm using, this mint color, and then I got a gray color. I will say the gray one would not spray, but I luckily had this other thing that I'm gonna use to spray it with. This is the dress and this is the bottom of it, and basically I'm just literally spraying it and I'm just kind of figuring it out as I go. I'm at Michael's now. I already ran out of paint, so and I'm just getting this. I don't know. Okay, I actually asked a worker and she said I had the wrong kind of paint. The gray and blue that I had before only did so much. The only mint green fabric they had is this. They do have a gray spray paint, which is going to be way better than the other gray that I had. Here I am spray painting the dress and the veil and the lace shirt I'm wearing under the dress. Thank you so much for tuning into this mini vlog, by the way. I'm Lindsay. I'm going to Oogie Boogie Bash on September 25th by myself, so definitely like and subscribe to me on YouTube so you can keep up. Okay, I mean, it's looking ghostly, but I keep overestimating how much comes in those things, so I'm out of the gray and I only used it on the dress. Now I'm over here and I'm kind of putting this other blue paint on the veil and the thing, and I'm gonna see if I can make it blue enough to where it all looks good together. Okay, progress. I feel like this is progress. This fabric doesn't pick up that much, but we will try. Okay, I feel like you can kind of see that. It does not look perfect, but listen. Okay, now I'm just adding more blue onto the dress because the blue at the bottom is pretty faint. These are drying, both of them. Okay, I mean, so I'm at my friend's house. She knows how to sew and I don't. The plan is to like sew onto the shirt a little like pocket. It's not the best, but I don't care. I think it's looking cute. Like, you can't see the whole thing, but I'm gonna add more of this like gray spray paint and dust it. Kind of looks like cobwebs or like ghostliness. I don't like this part. This part makes it too obvious that it's like not attached. So I was thinking, like, what if I tuck it in? Tuck it under. I mean, actually, yeah. Looks a little bit more like a real dress now. You see the dusted, like, gray here on the side. This is what I want more on the dress because it, to me, looks more like cobweb, like ghostly. Also, yeah, this needs to be dusted with gray, like, a lot. Okay, so I just marked it. Kind of marked, like, a bigger area where, like, I feel like the pocket could be. Okay, and this is the product of what the pocket is looking like. Once the light gets here, we'll see if it fits through. I'm pretty sure it will. Yay, thank you to my friend Coda. Okay, guys, it is a new day. Like, a couple days later, so I got more of this from Michael's. This came within, like, 2 days, so we're gonna see about this light for the glowing heart. Got these batteries for it. But we're gonna finish this paint job first, so let's go. As you can see, what I don't like that happened with the veil is you can see literal paint marks. I don't think people pay that much attention at night. Getting the extra can of spray paint was definitely the move because the veil has been transformed. It looks so much better, as you can see. Look at how ghostly that looks. You can still kind of see the paint marks. Okay, and now this is the state of the lace shirt. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of this just so it kind of matches everything else. Honestly, I don't do DIYs often, so I was scared for how this was gonna turn out. I decided to be Constance Hatchaway, aka the Haunted Mansion Bride, because I love Haunted Mansion so much. I thought that making it myself would be cheaper, but honestly, I don't think it was. But it definitely turned out cooler. Okay, that's all. Veil. Looking, you know, yeah, I think the veil's looking better. I think this is going good. This is how the dress is looking now. I've added more black onto kind of like these straps. Okay, so I got the flashing light. Okay, it fits perfectly in the pocket. Look at how good the glowing heart looks. Oh my god. This is better than anything I could have, like, bought low-key. Like, am I a DIY queen? Wow. Hit me up for cosplays. I'm just kidding. Something I may have not shown you yet is I'm gonna wear this axe necklace because yeah, obviously. These are the only Haunted Mansion ears that I own. I'm gonna make them work. Yes, the green clashes with the mint, but it kind of works. Yeah, I think this is gonna look so fire. Stay tuned for my actual final reveal closer to the party. I'm going on September 25th, so stay tuned, follow me, subscribe to me on YouTube at Travel with Lens. I'm so excited for Oogie Boogie Bash.